In this video, we're gonna look at some gear that will take your next adventure to the next level. Hey, I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. Some of these items fit in the palm of your hand, while others haul the gear that won't. Stay tuned for more info on Athletic Greens, this video's sponsor. And be sure to check out our website for detailed reviews. Links down in the description below. Let's dive in. Knowing exactly where to find your headphones is key if you want to finish that in-flight movie before you land. Keep cords and tiny tech in check with the Packet Reveal eTools Organizer Mini from Eagle Creek. It has plenty of pockets and loops to hold all of your accessories. Slide cables, dongles, and headphones through the elastic loops to keep them neatly separated. Then tuck earbuds and your charging brick in the mesh pockets. There's also a center loop that stores a pen so you can easily fill out customs and immigration forms. Plus, it can even double as a mini dop kit. Stick combs and razors through the loops while tossing toothpaste, shampoo, and other toiletries in the pockets. A hidden compartment holds everything else. It's a great place to keep travel documents, local currencies, and your phone within reach. We like having everything in one place while in transit instead of sifting through multiple wallets and bags. When zipped closed, the pouch is nearly small enough to fit anywhere. Store it in your sling en route to keep it within easy reach. Or squeeze it beside some packing cubes in your backpack. The foam padding will protect your gear and you'll keep cords and cables neatly arranged inside. Get more uses in one with the rolling square inChargeXL. This universal cable allows you to charge just about any modern device. There are 6 different combinations to choose from. One side features USB-C and USB-A adapters, while the other features USB-C and Lightning with micro USB. Mix and match based on your needs. The adapters are on hinges, so it's easy to charge without the unused option getting in the way. If you're really crunched for space, they also detach entirely to free up tight spots and avoid clashing when topping up multiple devices. Not every plug is convenient after all. At the time of this video, the flat braided cable comes in 3 different sizes. The 10-foot option means you can avoid camping out on the floor near the plug to charge your phone. It's also available in 6.5 foot and 1 foot lengths, which are more packable. The flat braided design is durable enough to bring just about anywhere. Snap the magnetic ends together and add the cap when they're not in use. And use the hook and loop fasteners to keep the longer cables in check. Just note that ours came apart after a couple of weeks of use, so you'll probably want a separate cable tie. Everything else has been holding up solidly though. The versatility of this cable saves a lot of space and gives you extra room for that e-reader or Nintendo Switch. It's just as important to recharge yourself as it is your device. This video is sponsored by Athletic Greens. AG1 by Athletic Greens is a nutritional drink that supports your health and boosts your energy. Simplify your health routine with just 1 serving per day. It contains vitamins, minerals, and superfoods that give you consistent energy levels so you can power through at home or on the road. We like to get right to sightseeing when we reach our destination, so we're always looking for new ways to help us recover from jet lag. Key ingredients provide the stamina you need for a long-haul flight without the caffeine hit you get from coffee. And we love trying new foods while on vacation. Naturally occurring enzymes in AG1 by Athletic Greens support digestive health, while the probiotics keep you feeling great day after day. It's easy and convenient to prepare. Simply add 1 scoop or travel packet to 8 ounces of water and you're ready to go. It has a smooth, pleasant flavor too. Head to athleticgreens.com/packhacker to get started on your first order. Link down in the description below. Our unique link gets you a 1-year supply of immune-supporting vitamin D and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. Now, let's check out some more awesome gear. One of the best things about travel is sharing memories when you return. The DJI Pocket 2 helps you capture any moment so you won't forget a thing. Like the name says, it's tiny enough to fit in your pocket. It provides the quality footage and high-definition panoramic shots you need to capture everything from a stunning mountain vista to a group selfie. There's no need to worry about keeping a steady hand either. The professional quality image stabilization ensures you take smooth 4K videos. They're good enough to share with the world on social media or make grandma feel like she's hiking alongside you. We've used it for quite a bit of footage on this channel recently, and after about 2 months of use, it's been awesome. Built-in features make it easy to get great content right out of the box. Active Track locks onto your subject and keeps them in frame no matter where they wander. Meanwhile, the camera's time-lapse mode condenses up to 5 hours of footage down to seconds. Afterward, use story mode and let the AI editor create the perfect vacation movie for you. And it's smartphone compatible. Connect your device using the included USB-C and Lightning adapters and use your screen as a monitor to see each shot more clearly. If you're looking for organizational features in a durable package, the Thule Aion 28-liter delivers. It has the functionality of a day pack, laptop bag, and travel backpack rolled into one. The Aion's streamlined look has built-in functionality. A concealed daisy chain is great for keeping small items like sanitizer and sunscreen within easy reach outside the bag. For more security, there's a hidden pocket on the back panel for your passport. Its generous capacity expands to suit your needs. The 28-liter capacity is great for a weekend away, and if you need more space, you're only a zipper away from 32 liters. A water-resistant TPU divider separates the main compartment from the tech panel, keeping your gear safe and securing your clothing in place. If you prefer to use packing cubes instead, roll the panel up into its dedicated pocket until next time. This pack's durable materials and construction makes it safe to bring your mobile office anywhere. Cushy padded sleeves protect up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro and 12.9-inch tablet. And the front admin panel has plenty of room for accessories. The durable wax canvas shell is water-resistant to keep your gear safe from the elements, though the look may not be for everyone. It's a backpack that adapts from travel to adventure to get you to the fun faster. We always carry our smartphone and wallet when we travel. The JIMMYCASE phone case keeps both those things in one convenient place. On the back is an elastic pocket which holds up to 6 cards and cash. Store your ID while winding through airport security so you can breeze through the queue without digging around in your bag. Or head out for a morning coffee with just your phone in hand, knowing that your payment is there too. Cards slide into the pocket like a knife through butter. The colorful fabric holds them tight and secure, whether you're carrying a driver's license or it's packed to capacity. Each case is handcrafted in California and made with a natural wood core. The premium mahogany, maple, and oak are sanded and finished by hand, not a machine, and the fabric is customized for every case. There are dozens of unique styles available, so you can find a look that suits your personality. JIMMYCASE offers sizes to fit nearly any iPhone in production. However, at this time, there's no option for Android users. With this case, you don't need to worry about leaving your wallet behind, as long as you don't forget your phone, that is. Not every day calls for a full pack of gear. Moment's MTW Mini Fanny Sling is a low-profile way to carry what doesn't fit into your pockets alone. The compact design is easy to style to your preference. Wear it as a crossbody for a laid-back look while you explore the local artisan market, or use it as a hip belt when you venture off the beaten path. No matter how you wear it, there is just enough space for the essentials. The roomy main compartment can hold everything from a point-and-shoot camera to a few protein bars. And apart from the rear pocket that's great for storing a smartphone, the rest of the sling is free to pack as you please. There are a ton of colorways to choose from. Go with a soft and durable Codra nylon or opt for a black ripstop nylon. No matter the fabric, the smooth zipper and water-resistant fabric keep your belongings safe and secure. Though the design is simple, the versatility is a great addition to almost any trip. No matter where we travel, it is nice to sit somewhere clean and dry. That's where the Matador Pocket Blanket 3.0 comes in. It packs down small and is convenient to throw in your everyday pack for those just-in-case moments. Liquids roll right off the lightweight and water-resistant fabric, so it's great for surprise spills and damp ground. It's roomy enough to share with up to 4 people, though we find it most comfortable with 2. Enjoy a concert in the park with a few friends, or head to the beach and keep all the space for yourself while you relax in the sun. We recommend looking for grassy areas and avoiding rocks if you use the blanket solo, as there's no padding for comfort. Or use it as a bottom layer, as it's great for layering under more porous blankets. and protects them from absorbing ground moisture. Plus, it includes stakes to keep it from flying away. They help anchor the blanket, though we recommend adding extra weight if you're leaving it unattended on a windy day. That's what fully packed travel backpacks are for, right? When it's time to pack the blanket back up, use these stitched lines to guide your folds. Then tuck it into the attached breathable mesh bag for another day. So there you have it, some awesome travel products to help you make the most out of your trip. Leave a comment down below and let us know what gear you never leave home without. Who knows, it may even be featured in our next episode of Awesome Travel Products. And when you're looking for ways to simplify your daily health routine, head over to athleticgreens.com/packhacker with the link down in the description below. Thanks for keeping it here at Packhacker, your guide to smarter travel, and we'll see you in the next video.